As a busy mom with two kids, I always used to struggle with a lack of time, but all that changed when I changed the way I looked at time and my own relationship with time. So today's video is all about that. I am Anindita, a functional medicine certified health coach, and I help and empower busy moms like you to find more peace, calm, and positivity in your life. And this video is about finding more time in your life. I know how busy you are right now with your kids, your responsibilities, etc. And if you like the video, at the end of it, I would like you to register for my upcoming 5-day Facebook challenge. It's called Making Time for What Matters Most. Okay, so let's get going. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you today is that time is not your enemy. It might feel like that sometimes, and we often end up making choices which make it seem like that, right? But that's not the case. We all have 24 hours in the world, and we have to make the most of them simply because it is your most valuable and precious resource, right? So make it your friend, develop a healthy relationship with it. The second thing that I wanted to share with you is that knowing what is important, that means knowing your priorities, are much more important than getting through your to-do list each day. Because what happens for most of us, most busy women like us, mothers like us, is that we have a whole list of things that we need to get done, right? I mean, I know I always have a whole list of stuff as well. The only thing that has changed is that now I know what is important and what needs to get done on that day, and the rest I'm able to let go. And that only comes when you are clear on what matters most to you, right? What your priorities are. So it's not about getting all the things done on your to-do list. It's about whether they should be on the list in the first place. That's where you start. Are there some things on your list which you can remove, right? So when you go through that, there may be something that you can remove, and the rest of it then is what you work on, right? And even there, knowing what is important makes all the difference. So that's the second thing. The third thing is, again, linked to this. So knowing your priorities, right? So what is important for you? So if you get into the specifics, so is your health important to you? Are your children or your family important to you? Is your work important to you? Is a particular hobby or something that you do important to you, right? So these are the things that you need to take care of first, right? So what I do is one method, and this is not the only way of doing this. One method that I use is that I have three big rocks, as I call it. And in fact, I take you through this exercise called rocks, pebbles, and sand inside this workshop. So I put down 3 rocks for the day, right? And 3 rocks for the week, not more than that. So it's 2 to 3 maximum for the entire week, and 2 to 3 rocks for the day. As long as I can get these 3 done, I'm good. I'm fine with letting go of the rest, and the rest is in fact for me a bonus. So this is how you change your perspective about time. This is how you change the way you deal with time, and this is in fact how you make more time in your life, right? So it's about changing a relationship with time, right? Having a healthy relationship with it, not thinking of it as an enemy or that there is always a lack of it. So moving from the scarcity mindset to a more abundant mindset. Then it's about knowing what is important and not just about getting through your to-do list, right? A lot of us get stuck there. A lot of us get stuck on the to-do list. But to ask yourself whether it should be on your list in the first place, right? So start there. And last but not the least, usually a lack of time denotes a lack of clarity about what is important to you. That's where most mothers that I work with in my coaching practice, when I speak to my friends and family, they struggle with. Not knowing what is important makes it difficult to know what needs to get done no matter what. So it's more of a lack of clarity about what is important to you, so about your priorities, rather than an actual lack of time. So that's the third thing. So the first was time is not your enemy, so developing a healthy relation towards it. Second is knowing what is important to you. That's where you need to start. So start thinking about what should be there on your to-do list in the first place, right? There are many things you can delegate or do without, simply do without, or plan it into your calendar for a later date. And the last but not the least is know your priorities. What is it that needs to get done no matter what, right? And when you do that, you will find that even within those 24 hours that you have, that we all have, no matter what stage of our life, no matter, you will have time to get things done, because not everything needs to get done, right? Not everything that is urgent is important, and that's where we get stuck. We get stuck with the urgent. So if you liked, so these are some of the things that I wanted to share with you today. If you liked this video, I will be doing a free 5-day Facebook challenge starting on the 21st of September. I have already had one successful round of this. Make sure to use the link below to sign up for that, and I'll be sharing details about that in the upcoming video sessions, and I'll see you here tomorrow. Bye.